Hi love, welcome. Today we are going to be making a broccoli salad. This is a recipe inspired by Sohla I saw her making this on a YouTube video, and so I was like, okay, let me make this my way, vegan and yummy for me, with a few substitutions that I love. So start off by making some quinoa. I'll have the full recipe linked below. So I just let that quinoa cook first, turned it down to low heat, and then started on my other ingredients. So typically you're going to want to soak these nuts overnight and then dehydrate them in the oven on low or warm for about 2 hours. I did not do that this time. So what I did was actually just chop up some raw almonds, and then I popped them in the oven and roasted them until they became fragrant. But it's better for your digestion if you soak them overnight and dehydrate them for a couple hours. It will maintain its full spectrum of nutrients because you're not cooking out any of the nutrients, so they'll still be raw, but since they're soaked, it's going to be a little bit easier for your tummy to take them. So just chop them roughly, rough chop, fine chop, not the most fine, but you know, you want some texture in this salad, so get that chopped up. I simply love sliding things off of cutting boards. It is so satisfying. Did y'all see that slide? So satisfying. So into the oven that goes. Now we're going to start on our dressing. So some olive oil goes first. Then do some honey. A trick is to do the olive oil in the same spoon that you're going to do the honey in, because once the olive oil goes in first, the honey just slides out. When it's just on a spoon that has nothing, it kind of sticks. The third ingredient is some vinegar. I used a strawberry rosé vinegar. Pretty good. It was pretty good. So you're gonna want to use vinegar and lemon juice as well. You could probably do lime juice. You can even get fancy into an orange or tangerine, something really bright. A citrus juice is going to do amazing. That acid, just so yummy. And then I went in with a bit of onion powder. This is optional, of course, if you want to keep it simple. I did some coconut aminos to add a little bit of saltiness and sweetness. Got a double whammy there. Then go in with some mustard. I use British beer mustard. And simply mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. Ooh, different angles, so we still mixing. Yeah, mix that really well. And this salad is pretty easy to make and assemble after this. We'll see. I'll talk you through it. Don't worry. I know you're not worrying. You don't worry. You are very grounded. And so then add in some minced garlic or chopped garlic, either one. Raw garlic is amazing in salad dressings, so start putting raw garlic in your salad dressing. So good. Then you just chop up some broccoli. I washed this and chopped it into these small florets, and then I chopped them even finer. And this is raw broccoli. You can steam the broccoli, you can do what you gotta do, because sometimes broccoli does cause bloating, it does cause gassiness. So definitely, if you're someone who has that reaction when eating broccoli, go ahead and cook it, roast it, do what you need to do to help alleviate that gas, and cooking it does help alleviate that gas. So yeah, broccoli doesn't really do this to me. How cute is that? But cauliflower does. Cauliflower gives me bloating. I don't like that. But broccoli, you know, takes care of me. And since it's raw, I'm getting the full spectrum of nutrients from this lovely broccoli, and it's just going into the bowl. At this point, everything pretty much just goes into the bowl. We take our roasted almonds, throw them into the bowl. Next, I did some dried currants. You could do a range of different dried fruits. I added some more because I was like, okay, that's not enough. I like currants. You could do raisins, and you could do dried blueberries, dried cranberries, whatever you want. Here is our cooked quinoa, all done, all fluffy and nice. You see that? And yeah, look at our beautiful salad. We're not done yet. It's a little sneak peek. So there is our quinoa into the bowl. Then you're going to want to add salt and pepper to your liking. I like salt. Okay. I like salt. Salt is good. Alright. For me, I watch my salt, but I like salt. Add pepper to your liking. I like pepper too. Add a lot of pepper. Then just mix. From here, the salad's done. The salad, well, if you're like me, if you're anything like me and you want to go the extra mile, you can take a guess at what's next that's going into the salad. Comment below, what's your guess of what's next going into the salad? This is something that I love. This is something that heals the body. This is something that you should eat in every meal. This is something that can be eaten sweet or savory. Okay? You'll see in a second. So we're just transferring the salad. You're going to want to, after you mix it up, let it sit for like 10 minutes or 20 minutes, whatever, while the flavors just come together and really that dressing starts to seep into the broccoli and the acid begins to cook the broccoli slightly, ever so slightly. But here's the extra mile right here. Herbs, okay, fresh herbs. I hope you enjoyed this video of our beautiful broccoli salad. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace.